How to log out from Jumptask. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Jumptask application. To log out from your Jumptask, first of all, you need to open your Jumptask application on your mobile device and here ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and then you will reach to your profile page. Once you reach to your profile page, here you will need to scroll down and at the bottom of this My Activity option, you will be able to see the option labeled Logout. Now you just simply need to tap on this Logout and then you can see that you have been logged out from your Jumptask account. Now if you want to log in back to your account, you may use your Google account and sign into your account if you have used Google account. Or you may also tap on this login button at the top if you have connected your crypto wallet on it. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out of your Jumptask account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.